will stand here and you're not in a shop.
Mate, yeah. Go away with your phone, mate, please.
I'm in public, man.
Go away with your phone.
And I'm in public.
Go away with your phone.
I'm in public and I can record what I want to record in public.
That's just you. Go away.
Am I in a public place?
I don't care where you are. I'm asking you to go
And
away.
who are you?
I'm a licensed SIA guard, and I'm dealing with...
And where's your license? Is it on display?
Yes, it is. Go away, thank you.
I'm trying to make sure that everybody is safe and secure.
No, you're not, because the people are a bit... Why don't you go after the people that are a problem? Why are you recording?
I'm not saying
we're
elements...
with police, we're safe. We're with police.
Police are not always safe.
Yeah, not always, but who the fuck are you?
And I'm just trying to make sure...
Show me your credentials.
And I'm just trying to make sure that everybody is safe and secure.
Show me your credentials. What makes you safe? Look at you.
Yeah, all right, look at me, yeah.
What makes you safe? Tell me something.
Go away.
You're not in no uniform. You're not in an
I'm not being a nuisance.
You're here on a personal capacity.
I'm not doing anything like that. Don't touch me.
So, are you two happy to obviously in front of him, or alternatively?
Somewhere else, because that's weird.
Well, that's what I was going to say. My car is just down there. I'll grab my drink and we'll jump in the car.
Guy with the orange rucksack is the one that came up to me that was saying that I cannot do what I'm doing and
I don't want to be filmed. Please stop it.
well, don't move away from a public place. But
We're working.
But this guy is the one. This is the guy that told me that I cannot do what I'm doing. That I need to move away. Don't touch me. Fucking touch me again, motherfucker. Fucking touch me again. Push me again.
You can be a...
Push me again.
I can cuff you, mate. Simple as...
Fucking cuff me. Fucking cuff me, and I'll see you fucking on the floor, mate.
Of course you will. Do
Right, go on, let's do it.
Do it.
You started the threat. You started the threat.
Stood here.
You started the threat.
In a nuisance.
I'm not being a nuisance.
I can legally
It's called
arrest you.
reporting. It's called reporting. Alright? So fucking try it. Cuff me. Right.
Stop recording people! Stop recording people! You can't.
You're causing
Stop
the
recording
nuisance.
people! Stop recording people! Stop recording people!
Right. Right, you're gonna cuff me. Cuff me. Cuff me. My wrist is right here. Right, you have no power to cuff me. You have nothing to cuff me for. Right. This guy is the one who just said he's going to cuff me, is the one that told me that I can't record in public.
We have a guy with front trousers, pink hair, being very aggressive, recording us every...
How am I being aggressive? How am I being aggressive? How am I being aggressive, Mr. Purple Flag? How am I being aggressive? I don't give a shit. The feds can come. I don't care. No, so I appreciate you telling me. I'll tell you what, respect for you give me a heads up. I appreciate that. No. Like, but they've got no power. The feds have no power because I'm not doing anything illegal. But no, I appreciate it. I appreciate the heads up there. No, thank you. But yeah, this chubby motherfucker in a purple rucksack is telling me that he's going to handcuff me. Is telling me that I cannot record in a public place. Telling me that I have to move away. Yeah, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. The police ain't going to do shit because you can't do shit. Yeah, that's what I thought. Right, anyway, I'm going to move on and I'm actually on a night out, guys. So I'm going to head on and go meet my friends where I was going. Actually, I'll tell you what, there's some police up here, so I'm going to have a word with them. Just when you got a second, sit quick, then I'll wait.
Okay, so for your safety, probably just jump in a cab. Yeah. I wouldn't need to walk 30 minutes is a long way, especially this time of the morning. So if you can jump in a cab, buddy. But you're sure you're okay? I know you're sore. Keep an eye on it. Make sure it's but if you do feel any knocks, any brain knocks, things like that, just phone up. And get you checked out. All right. Good. Thank you very much. You can just head down the corner.
Yes, there's a taxi rank up there. Yeah. 100%. Taxi rank's the best place. Like, 2 seconds up the road.
The guys that work there will get you in the best cab.
The taxi rank is really good. They will direct you in the best place. They're really good.
Thank you.
Sorry. So I've just been talking to some of the SIA licensed security up there. Can we stop and talk rather than walk and talk? Because so the issue that I have is the fact that they've been telling me that they are about to handcuff me and detain me for I'm recording. I am recording. Okay. They're telling me that they're going to detain me and handcuff me for the fact that I'm recording, whilst they are basically they're abusing somebody else's human rights. Okay, I'm quite adept at what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, and this is not something that I'm unfamiliar with. They're telling me the police have just been and gone, and they've taken 2 people away. That's their business. I've recorded that, and that's a different situation. I continued to record the security. The security became very aggressive with me. As soon as I started recording, the security got in my face. I would give dues, though the police did stop them becoming physical. But it became to a point where I did feel threatened. Okay? The 2 security that are working up at the taxi rank, they become very physically aggressive in the way that they approach me, the way that they continue to approach me after the police had told them that I am not doing anything wrong in the fact of recording in a public place. Okay? I would like to request that you go and talk to those security now and tell them that the fact that I am recording from a public place to make sure that everybody is safe. As much as you as the police, as much as them as security, and as much as the people as the public are safe, okay? I would like you to advise them that we are allowed to record from a public place and that we are allowed to maintain public safety through recording because we are keeping everybody accountable. Everybody, as much as... Yeah, exactly. You do exactly the same thing. You do exactly the same thing, and I fully endorse it. I fully endorse the fact that you have body cameras. Fully endorse it. But I would like you to go and explain to the security that have the SII license, that are working on the taxi ranks, I would like you to explain to them that I can record them. I can record pretty much everything that I'm stood in public recording because they're in a public place.
Not otherwise by signage and things like that, right? No photography.
Almost. That comes down to that comes down to a matter of what comes down to court. And it comes down to a court decision, doesn't it? But otherwise, it says exactly. If there's no signage saying no recording, even if there's signage, it comes down to court decision of what's a public place. But if there's no signage, we are in a public place. If you were to search me now, for example, for possession of an offensive weapon, the only thing you could stick me with would be a possession of an offensive weapon in a public place, which would define this as a public place.
Of course.
Exactly. And the law states that we can film in a public place.
I agree.
Absolutely. I appreciate that. I appreciate that you agree. I would like you to please... it's a request. I can't order you to do anything.
Please,
I would request that you would try to explain that to the security that are working at the taxi rank.
I certainly understand your rationale, and I agree with what you've said around it's good to hold people accountable and understand what's going on around you.
Yes.
But I would like you, if I go and speak to the chaps, which I will, because I know them, I work regularly on this operation at that time. I would like you to give me the space to do so, because I need that respect from them to give them a safe space so I can talk to them.
The problem. Okay, I appreciate what you're saying is that you appreciate the space. The problem that I have with that is that I would not respect the space that you're giving because I do not trust. That's the word. I do not trust the space that I'm giving you because I've tried to explain to them, and I have not been rude to them. I've not been aggressive towards them. I've talking to them the same way that I'm talking to you right now. Okay. And I'm not being rude. I'm not being aggressive. I'm trying to explain to you, I can do what I'm doing. I'm keeping my distance. I'm not interfering. If you guys are handcuffing somebody, taking somebody in a vehicle, I'm going to step back and I'm going to let you do what you need to do.
Okay.
And I'm not going to stop you from doing that. I'm just going to record it peacefully. The security approached me in a very aggressive manner, I mean, in a way that if I were to approach you in the same way that they approach me now, if I were to approach you in that way right now, it would not surprise me if you were to arrest me for assaulting a member of the assault on a what's the word?
Emergency worker.
Assault on an emergency worker in the effect of their duties. Okay, it would not surprise me if you arrested me in that manner if I approached you in the way that they approached me.
Yeah.
Because he did grab my phone, he tried to rip the phone out of my hand, and it's all recording. Like I'm not hiding anything. I don't want to call it. I don't want to get anybody arrested. All I want you to do right now is to just walk up there and tell them this person can record as long as he's not getting in your way, stopping you from doing your job. He can stand away and he can record. That's all I want you to tell him.
Okay, so if I go and do that, I need your end of the bargain to be, I don't want, and I'm not saying you will, because I've only just met you, right? We've only just come up from a job down the road.
Okay, that's fair.
I don't want your presence to antagonise them.
I'm not going to antagonise
I
them.
don't want you to speak over me.
I'm not going to speak over you.
Allow me to get my point across.
Yes.
As you've asked, because you've been right with what you said about recording in a public place, but I do not want you to make the situation worse if I try to tell them in a respectful way, and then you're shouting over me or something like that.
Okay. I will allow you to say what you're going to say.
Yep.
Okay. If I disagree with what you tell them, depending on the conversation that we've just had and the agreement that we've come to, if I disagree with what you've told them, because I feel like we've come to a mutual understanding, okay, and I do feel like we have.
Yep.
If I feel like what we've come to a mutual understanding of, if I feel like that is different to what you're telling them, I will allow you to finish your sentence. I'm not going to interrupt you. But once you're done telling what you're going to tell, I will say my point as well. Is that fair?
Yes. I'm ignoring a lot of calls right now because I need to go to some other bits, okay? But I can have a conversation with the chaps over there because you've asked me to do very fairly.
Yes.
But I cannot stay there for
No, I understand that. So I don't want to waste your time, but I feel like this is a very salient point of human rights. Because we do a freedom of expression.
You've given me the time of respect.
Okay. And your name is, sorry, PC?
Bucknell.
PC Bucknell.
Yeah.
Call me PTTP.
PTTP.
Power is fine.
Okay.
All right, let's walk. Let's do this. I want to get done quickly so you can move on. Yeah.
What I said.
Yeah.
I don't want you to antagonise.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. I'm not in that state that I'm willing to override you or overstep what you're saying. I'm not in that state. I will respect. And I think we're in that mutual position. But I need them to understand that we can, as a
Will you give us some space, though?
Yeah.
Some space, okay.
I will record from a distance. I will.
And that's all I ask.
And say less to that, I will stand at the wall. Okay? I will stand here.
Hello, John. So I've just been chatting to PTTP about recording in public place. Leave them top to do so, just like I am with my body cam. Okay? Anything within his vision or his public eye, he can record with his mobile phone. I appreciate at times it may not feel comfortable for you to be caught on the camera, but he has a right and when in public to record what he will do. Alright? I appreciate that, okay? And it's the same, we get the same from police when I'm just hearing it's the same.
I'm not worried about the recording. I don't know what anything to do with it.
Okay, but the thing is, but if you were to do something with it, then that's the progression of then he's used it to misuse it, right? But if he's declaring that he's trying to protect the people that are in the matter, then he has the right to cut the news, okay? So I just wanted to get that across so you understood, so the gentleman there understood as well. That's all it was, okay? Public place, unless told otherwise by, I think public place is defined as access unless by payment or otherwise, right? Alright? I've got a crack on. As you know, obviously you feel it, right? You boys on for who's around the corner? Is there anybody around there?
Yeah. So piece of boggle, I was going to add one more thing. Just in future, I don't mean to have a go at you guys, because I do understand why you may see it as intrusive, but just in future, if somebody takes out their phone to record, you are working in the public place and you are working with vulnerable people, especially at this time of night, on a Friday and Saturday night while they are drunk. Don't be surprised if people record, because people want to protect other people. It's not to be intrusive to you. It's to make sure that everybody is safe and secure and accountable, and that is the main thing of what this is. It's accountability, and that's what it's about. It's about accountability, and we're not trying to get anybody hurt or harmed. We're not trying to invade in your privacy. We're just trying to make sure that everybody is safe and secure, and that's all it's about. Because there are cases where people that work security do invade in people's security in a very devastating way, which ends up in rape, sexual assault, and it happens.
Okay, pal. Look,
And it happens. So we're just trying to make sure everybody's safe. That's all it's about.
For our agreement.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
we
deal with
need to
that.
crack on. We've had a few
Thank you,
calls.
PC Bucknell.
Thank you very
PC
much.
Bucknell.
Okay, you take care. Cambridge
You're
Street,
attached to
please.
Cambridge Police
Parkside,
Station?
yeah.
Parkside, yeah?
Yeah.
You've been fantastic, and I really appreciate your time.
Okay, getting home? Are you? What's your?
I'm all good. Yeah, I'm going to meet some friends, and I appreciate your time.
No, thank
and I really appreciate you taking the time to come in and talk.
I think
It's been fantastic, and I really appreciate that Cambridge Constabulary, and you are setting a fantastic example for that, because, yes, I understand why people like me can come across as a nuisance in some circumstances, but as I said to them, we're not doing it to be a nuisance. We are doing it for the protection of the public, because with 8 constabularies in special measures,
There's a lot going on.
yeah, it's a lot going on. For the members of the public, when there are 8 constabularies in special measures,
Yeah.
it's a hard time to try to have faith in the police. People like you who are taking the time to have this conversation and deal with it in the correct way, this goes a long way in building those bridges and building that.
And look, I think you're completely okay to get your point across.
Yeah.
It's the whole point of conversation, right? It's a two-way conversation.
Absolutely, and conversation is the key,
I'm glad you
100%.
feel heard, okay?
Yeah.